Let's go! After weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks of telling you guys that I was gonna get my exhaust, finally, it's here. And there's no more talking, man. We're about to put this thing on. Let's go take it out. What we got? We have the Arrow Pro Race exhaust. Excited as all heck to open this up, to get this on my bike. No longer will I have a hybrid bike. People will hear me. This is the first step to some true performance for the bike, man. And I'm really happy I got it. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Due to COVID and everything that's happening, it took a while to come in. Not my fault. We got some restrictions with Italy, but no more complaints, man, because it is here and it's time to get this bad boy on. We've also got our servo buddy that we're gonna be throwing on here as well too. And we got a nice dyno jet. We're not gonna throw this on today, but we will put this on eventually and we will get this tuned as well too. Nice little supplement until we actually get an ECU flash for this bike. And once the ECU flash comes out, it'd be good to have a dyno, to have a power commander along with the flash as well too. So this would be good stuff, man. But yeah, let's open up this box and see what we got inside of here, guys. So this is the first time that I'm opening this thing up. I haven't opened it up at all. It looks like this tab is already ripped open, as you can see, but I'm gonna rip it open even more. And it'll open like so. Oh, yes. Out of there. There's the mid pipe right here. It's pretty dope. Show you guys. We'll be installing that bad boy. It's dope to install. What else we got here? We got our clamps that we're gonna be throwing on here as well too. I am excited. Finally! Oh, this is one of the covers that you put on the side over there. Okay, so yeah, we got our clamps and our bolts inside of this package. And the moment we've all been waiting for, the actual exhausts. That bad boy up. Over. This is the actual exhaust itself. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Nice quality. Never had an Arrow before. So this is my first time with an actual Arrow exhaust. It's pretty nice though. Alright, let's get this bad boy on, people. Alright guys, we are making some progress. I got the catalytic converter off along with the muffler, and I could already feel the crazy weight difference on the bike. This itself, I don't have a digital scale like how all the fancy YouTubers have, but from the previous posts that I've seen, this together probably is about 15 to 16 pounds. And the exhaust on the Arrow, the box actually says itself that it's only about 6 pounds. So all together, we're probably losing about like 16 to 18 pounds roughly. So that should be a significant difference when actually riding the bike. So let's continue. Let's continue on. All right, guys, got that exhaust all hooked up. Got everything bolted up, mounted up. So now it is time to start this bad boy up. I haven't started it up at all because I wanted to start it while I was recording with you guys, but this thing is looking good. Moment of truth. dark, guys, but I definitely still want to come out here and give you guys an official sound clip of it outside. So let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on. Woo! Oh yes, now the season has officially begun. Guys, I'm sorry it took this long for me to get this video done, for me to get this exhaust installed, but the exhaust installed and I'm happy as heck. I can't wait for the actual tune to come out on this ECU so I can get the ECU flashed. But the dyno, the power commander will do just fine for me for right now, but until we get that either kit ECU or the actual ECU flash, this is what we're going to work with. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're a subscriber, please tap that bell. You can notify when new content is uploaded. I got that exhaust installed. We got some track days coming up. Of course, we got some great stuff coming up. I'm actually hosting a meet coming up real soon. Some of your favorite YouTubers will be there as well too. So guys, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next episode, people. Peace out.